know what's going on, guys. I know, okay. I know. I've been going for like 2 days, okay. And I know all you guys have been wondering. Y'all be like, man, what's going on? If you guys follow me on Instagram or on Snap, you guys would know. And I posted on my story, you know, that this is getting hard, okay. And I was losing sleep because of it, all right. But you know, I'm back, and it was just a lot going on, personal, you know, just myself physically. It was just hard. It was because I was so tired, I was so drained from it. I'd be up till, you know, 3 o'clock in the morning every single day, editing these videos, making sure they're up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Don't care.
This one won't be up at 7 o'clock in the morning. It will be up today. I'm gonna edit today, and then I'm gonna have tomorrow's video up at 7 o'clock in the morning for you guys, because we going back, all right. We're going back daily, all right. I'm trying to constantly put out videos for you guys. I got another product review, as you guys can tell in the title, and basically it's something different. And what caught my eye at first, okay, what it caught my eye is I heard of something called a woofing brush, okay. Now I was like, a woofing brush? I was like, why isn't every brush is a brush? But this is what they call the brushes. They call them Elite Woofing Tool, okay. This is what it looks like right here. You guys can't see that. I don't know why I'm even trying. But, you know, this is, it looks, the bristles are hard. You know, they ain't moving too much, but they are moving. It's not like, you know, if I were to, you know, get a, like, super hard brush, you know, off of Amazon or something like that. It's not like that. Alright? So I was like, I hit him up. I was like, hey, send me something. But that doesn't mean anything, alright? Because y'all know I keep my reviews 100% honest with you guys. I don't come at, if companies send me something, I don't say, my judgment does not deter because of what they sent me, okay? So I keep it 100 with y'all. I keep it 100 with y'all, because like I said, this is money that y'all have in y'all pocket, okay? And I'm telling you guys, look, I was using this brush. My waves became so laid down, okay? So laid down to the point where I was having to comb my stuff back. I was like, you know what, this is, usually, you know, it'd be laid, but this was like really laid down to where like, not, my ripples were not showing. It was just like, cause you could see the rip, I mean, you can't, not ripples, you could see my waves, okay? You could see the waves. It was just that, that it was just so laid, I could barely even feel them. Like, they weren't like, had as much depth because they were so laid down. So definitely wouldn't recommend using this if, you know, you're not on a fresh cut, because I feel like it not hurt, but it get down, it hurt, okay, it hurt. I'm just gonna it probably hurts. The thing I really like about this brush is when it doesn't actually, when you're not on a fresh cut, but even when you've, you know, kind of, you know, went without a cut maybe for about 3 weeks or so, maybe even 4, but you're not all the way at that top woofing stage, it does not get all the, like, it doesn't feel like it's killing your scalp. That's the thing I love about this brush. It does not feel like it's killing your scalp at all, okay? It's like, because when I use my Torino Pro hard brush, if I were to use that right now, that stuff would hurt my head. No, like, no cap. That's exactly what, it would hurt my head. But this one, I can use this one, okay? And it really just doesn't, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt my head. It just makes sure that my waves are really laid down. And that's what I really like about it. You know, it doesn't hurt your head, but if you really want your waves to lay down, this is a good brush, okay? I really don't have really nothing too bad to say about it. Let me just show you the waves, alright? Let you guys already know I'm about to do that mean wave check stuff. You guys, if you guys don't know, well, you're about to see it now, because now I'm saying wave check. Just real quick disclaimer. Well, not a disclaimer, but I'm gonna let you guys know that I just did a wash and style yesterday, so my waves ain't really that good.
I don't care. I don't.
Yeah, I'm still spinning, alright? I'm still spinning. I'm still putting in that work. I told you guys I'm putting in that work. Even though I wasn't making videos, I was still putting in that brush work. Don't think because I didn't have a video dropping that I wasn't putting in that brush work, alright? Y'all thought wrong, okay? I honestly wish that I could give something, like there's something negative about this brush. But, I mean, Okay, I mean, no, because it's not negative. Look, there's honestly nothing I could say bad about this brush. I mean, oh, there's one thing negative that I could say about this brush. Give me 1 second. Look, look, this is the first company that I have ever been able to say there's nothing wrong. Nothing at all. But I just thought of something. Okay? When I got the brush in the mail, I was excited. I bet, you know. I never heard of this brush before. Like, again, another small company that probably you guys didn't know about, right? I got the brush in the mail, right? And this is probably not on him. Okay? It's not on him. It's not on him. But I got to. Okay? I got to. This is what the box looked like, okay? When it came, I didn't damage it. This is legit how it came. This is how it came in the mail. The box all broken up, and I was like, dang, man. I was like, cause I love saving my brush boxes. Like, for me, I started hanging all my brushes up in my room. I'm making like a little like collection of brushes and everything. And I was like, I can't even collect this one. Like, I can't put it up, you know what I'm saying? Because if it has this right here, I hang it up. But I can't hang this up, man. Like, come on, man. I mean, I can't be mad at him, though. I can't be mad at him, though. Because it's probably not even his fault. It's not even his fault, though. So, this the only thing was the box. Now, that should still tell you something, though. Like, if you're more worried about the brush than the box, then y'all should go ahead and pick this up. Because the wood isn't chipping, the paint isn't chipping, the label hasn't came off, and I've had this for about a week and a half because I was gonna make it sooner, but then I took the days off. So I mean, yeah, so that should say something to you guys. Like, you guys should, if you're woofing hard, and you're tired of like these really super hard brushes killing your scalp, but you still want to have your waves laid, pick this brush up. I'm telling you. His Instagram is called Woofing Waves, okay? Go look it up. You know, this is what he has on his, now I'm gonna move over a little bit. This is what he has on his, you know, page. You know, it has a lot of people with their waves woofing, has his different brushes and everything. Then you go ahead and click his link, you know? And when you click his link, then, of course, man, why is Wi-Fi being slow? Yeah, when you click his link, we're going to get into that comb right now. But, you know, when you click his link, he has a hard wave brush for woofing, curve. You guys already know how I feel about my curved brushes. And his green hard woofing brush with the booklet. I don't have the booklet. I mean, I would have loved to see what the booklet was and put that on here too. I didn't get a booklet. But yeah, as you guys can see, his woofing. But you guys see this right here? That's what we're about to get into right now. He has a curved 360 wave comb. Yeah, when I saw this, okay, I was like, there ain't no way. Because you see in the first picture, right? The first picture, it has it like this, right? Looks like a normal comb. Just looks like a normal comb, right? No, until you go like this. And this, I was like, oh! I think I gotta see this. I gotta try this out because I was like, man, I love my curved brushes, right? I love my curved brushes. Like, I don't know what I love curved brushes. All right, now I gotta get me, you know, we're not even gonna talk about that right now. But I gotta get me some more curved hard brushes. All right, because I got the mediums. I need maybe a couple more softies too. I got a lot of mediums, but I was like, a curved comb? I said, I gotta try this out. When I first got this in the mail, I took it out. I took it out the wrapper. The wrapper was fine, okay? It literally came in like a clear thing, and he slid it in there. There was a little piece of glue to keep it, so you took the glue off and you slide it right out. It was clear plastic, alright? Nothing special. So, like I was saying, nothing extraordinary about the packaging. Just basically this extraordinary comb. That's what it was, okay? So I took it out the wrapper. Like I said, I took it out real quick. I was like, I gotta try this. I wanna try this out. And then I was like, bet. I grabbed my right hand, right? And I was like, it's not from my right hand. I was like, okay. It's forcing me to use my left. Gotta be introduction.
What?
But I took it, and I took it in my left hand, and I was like, let's see, alright? So, I mean, I'm not used to using my left hand, right? So I'm like, okay. I was like, okay. I was like, alright. It took me a minute to get used to. But it feels good. And then I switched to my right? This is how I'm teaching y'all how to brush if you know. I mean, you comb. But yeah. I was like, okay. Like, this ain't bad, right? This ain't bad. I like the feel. The feel of it, though. The feel of it. Like, you feel it's getting you know, this regular comb, it's only going to get a couple, right? It's not going to get that many, right? When you take this comb, it feels like it's laying down, but it's also combing. Maybe if it's more for like, maybe for a coarse hair wavy, it'll like lift their hair up, because of course combs always lift their hair up. But I mean, for me, it felt like it was doing the purpose of the comb, but at the same time, it was like laying it down. It's like a weird feeling. It just feels like it's combing every single strand of hair, and that's what I loved about the feel. Okay, the feel felt great, and I mean, I don't know, maybe, in my opinion, I feel like they should make, you know, like a right-handed one, mostly because that's what I'm comfortable with. I'm just comfortable with my right hand, okay? Or maybe sell those in a package deal. I don't know, right? But this, it feels good, okay? That's the only flaw that I had with this comb, is I picked it up on my right. Maybe they should come in like a package deal or something, you know what I'm saying? Like 2 combs, and then like you switch off like boom, 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 right? And then like switch off with like this, right? And then, cause like it feels good, and if I was using my right hand, and then it's just like kind of, maybe I'm just being bougie. Okay? But it does take some getting used to if you're definitely used to using your right hand all the time. It does. Okay? So definitely it feels good. Like, I don't know what it is about his products, man. It just feels really good. Alright? Like his brush felt good against my scalp. His comb felt good against my head. It felt good on the scalp, you know? You really can't feel it too much on the scalp, but it's hard, but you can feel it if you know you're at a shorter length. But it always lays down your hair. It always lays down your hair. Definitely, okay guys? Definitely the elite wolfing tool. And so is the comb, okay? And it even says it on the comb, elite wolfing tool. I definitely recommend these products to you guys. If you guys definitely have the money, pick them up. Especially pick up the brush, pick up the comb. I don't know. I don't even know. Like, usually I do one, like, which one should you get if you can only get one? But I feel like they're a good combo to go with. Like before I go to bed, you know, I kind of like combing it out. And then once I comb it out, I go in with that brush real quick, you know, just to lay everything down, then do-rag it up. Okay? And I have not found no flaws. No flaws. It's the only flaw that I had, I think it was just me being bougie about the right hand thing. I mean, maybe you could go like this, but I mean, that defeat the purpose of the comb. I mean, the curve to it. But yeah, definitely pick this up. I mean, man, pick both of these. I don't even pick them up. Okay, guys, like, I've never seen anything like this. Like, have you guys seen anything like this before? Like, these combos? Pick it up. I'm pick it up. I gotta end the video on that. I got nothing else to say. They're just great. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like the video, okay? If you feel like dang, I'm gonna pick them up, like, go ahead, leave a comment saying, dang, pick up, you know, something, I don't know, whatever. Just leave a comment down below. I love reading you guys' comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, because we're dropping fire videos every single day until like I completely lose sleep and I feel like I'm just gonna pass out for 24 hours. Then we're gonna upload every single day, okay? So, you guys already know what I'm saying. Stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!